Hey guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is dedicated for those customers whose phone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password locked. And I am sure you have tried a lots of time to unlock your smartphone with the help of YouTube videos and other videos, okay, but still now you're not success to unlock your smartphone. That's why you're watching this video, so don't worry at all. At the end of this video your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely, but you will have to watch this video till the end, because the every method what I'm going to give you in this video is most important to unlock your smartphone. So don't skip a single step, okay. Firstly, before starting this method, you will have to charge your phone at least 30%. Otherwise, whatever data you have in your smartphone can be deleted. So before starting this, charge your phone at least 30%. Okay. You can see here my phone is charged sufficient to use this method. Okay, so let's start this method. After this, you will have to eject your smartphone SIM card, or if possible, if you're getting an option of airplane mode, so activate your phone's airplane mode. If you're not getting the option of airplane mode, so don't worry at all. You can eject your SIM card to go with this process, okay. Now firstly you will have to switch off your smartphone. You can see here the phone is locked due to forgotten pattern lock. Firstly you will have to switch off here. So for switch off, simply you will have to press the power button and switch off this phone. Okay, just switch off here. After switch off your smartphone, you will have to switch your phones to the hard reset mode, and for this you will have to press the power button and the just a minute. You will have to press the power button and the volume down button, okay. Both the button you will have to press the same time and press and hold here. Now when you will get the logo of your smartphone, you will have to release the volume down button and press the volume up button, but you will have to continue press the power button here, okay. So I'm going to release the volume down and volume up press here, but you will have to continue press the power button here. Now you will get a option of hard reset mode. You will get a two option here. The first one is reboot and the second one is recovery mode. Reboot means your phone again restart, so you don't have to go with this option. Here your phone's touch won't work, so you will have to go with up and down with the help of volume button. So press the volume button down and go, and for the select of recovery mode you will have to press the power button here. Now after this, just wait here. After this your phone's touch will work here. Now after this you can see here you will get a three option. The first one is install software, the second one is clear data, and the third one is check system, okay. So you will have to go with the option of a clear data option, and you will have to clear your cache. You don't have to clear your all data. If you press this option, your phone's all the datas like photo, video and document will be deleted. So simply you will have to choose this one and you will have to clear and go with the okay. Okay, now it has been done. Now simply you will have to click on this return button and go with the back button. Now you will have to shut down your smartphone here. You don't have to press here restart. Simply you will have to shut down here. Okay, now when your phone's complete switch off, simply you will have to start your smartphone with the help of power button. Now let's check here what's happened. Either your smartphone lock has been unlocked or not. You can see here. Now let's check here. Still now you can see here pattern lock is showing, so don't worry at all. Simply you will have to click on this emergency option. Now I'm going to give you some special codes by which your lock will be disabled here. The code is star hash 87369 star 000 then hash. After feeding this code you will have to call on this code, okay, but you will get a pop-up of call not sent, so don't worry at all. Simply you will have to go with the okay. Again you will have to go with the back button. Now after this you will get an option of a camera. Simply you will have to press and open your phone's camera like this. Now after this you will have to click a photo here, okay. Now just check it. Now go with the back button. Okay, don't worry, it's still now till now not unlocked, so don't worry at all. Go with the emergency here. Now again you will have to use a special code. The code is star hash 813 and hash, then again star 812 and hash. After feeding this USSD code, again you will have to call on this code. Again you will get a pop-up of call not sent, so don't worry. Simply go with the OK button. Go with the back. Now again open your camera. Now okay. Now again you will have to click a single photo here. Okay, now go with the back button. Still now pattern is not unlocked, so the last process and the very important process, simply you will have to try random password. Now you can see here it's showing here your phone has been locked, so you will get a pop-up of forget. Simply you will have to click on this. Click on this. Now it will ask you some special codes and some questions to unlock your smartphone, so you will have to use here. First answer is skip and the second option is password, okay. Now after this you will have to remember this one, these are the codes. Now after this simply you will have to verify here. Now you can see here your pattern lock has been removed. Now it is asking here to lock a new password, okay. So simply you will have to use a new pin pattern or password lock here. You don't have to skip this step. Simply you will have to apply new pin pattern or password here, okay. So you can see here the smartphones all the locks has been removed here, and the main thing is that what the data were in my smartphone as in my smartphone. So this is very useful method for those customers who don't want to lose their smartphones all the data, okay. And if your smartphone is unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if your smartphone could not unlock with the help of this video, then make us comment which type of issues you are facing in this method. Our team will quick response on your issues to resolve your issue problems. Thank you so much. See you in the next videos. Thank you so much.